Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This video is for the students, those who are preparing for RBI Grade B examination or planning to prepare for this prestigious examination. In this video, we are going to analyze the exam pattern and we'll dig deep and we'll find out from where the most of questions has been asked in last 4 to 5 years. We'll analyze each and every topic in details from where the questions has been asked. So this video is very important for your preparation because strategic preparation is very much needed for this kind of exam. Do watch full video. Educare 247 has launched comprehensive course for RBI Grade B examination 2020. This comprehensive course is useful for phase 1, phase 2 and interview, and this is the full video course. We are covering all the subjects related to RBI Grade B examination like economy and social issues, finance and management, current affairs and general awareness, quant, logical reasoning, general English, descriptive English, and all the subjects will be covered in the form of video lectures. Notes will be also provided and 10,000 plus MCQs will be provided. Latest current affairs will be updated in the course. Yojana and Kurukshetra magazine will be covered in this course. Important government schemes will be covered in this course. RBI circular will be covered in this course. 10 phase 1 test and 5 phase 2 mock test will be there. Descriptive English mock test will be there, and the student who will clear phase 2 examination, they will get the chance for mock interview session. So this is the comprehensive package for RBI Grade B examination, and the course fee is 3999. Basically the course fees is 4999, but right now on our website we are running a discount. You don't have to use any coupon code. Directly you can visit Educare 247 and get the discount and subscribe this very important course for RBI Grade B examination. Let us analyze the exam pattern for RBI Grade B. This exam will have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Then interview will be conducted. In phase 1 examination, 4 subjects will be there. Questions from general awareness will be asked, reasoning will be asked, English will be asked, quantitative aptitude will be asked, and these 4 subjects will carry 200 marks. Out of 200, GA will carry 80 marks, and this is the most important subject for RBI Grade B phase 1. Out of this 80 marks, 60 to 65 marks will be from the current affairs. Now you can ask, what kind of current affairs will be asked and how old current affairs one has to study. So here is the answer. 30 to 40 questions will be from economy and financial development and news related to banking sector. So basically these 30 to 40 questions will be based on the economic and financial development in the country and the banking sector development. Rest 30 to 35 questions will be based on sports, important dates, events, conferences, summits. So this is the overall exam pattern, and rest 10 to 15 questions will be from the static GK like book and author, important dams, important national park, important monuments. So this is the overall pattern for GA, and the reasoning will be based on normal reasoning like banking examination, and English will be also like banking examination. Here RC will be also very important, and quantitative aptitude will also be near to banking examination like IBPS PO or SBI PO. So you have to prepare accordingly. Then comes to phase 2 examination. Phase 2 exam will have 3 papers and each paper will carry 100 marks. So total 300 marks, and one will be given 1.5 hours to complete the each paper. So basically you have to complete the paper in 1.5 hours. The first paper is descriptive English. In descriptive English, one essay will be asked and that will carry 40 marks. So basically a essay on any recent topic will be asked, and one has to write essay between 200 to 300 words. Then essay will be there, letter and report writing will be there, and one RC will be there. So all you have to type in the computer. So basically your computer typing speed also matter here, and your content also matter here. The next paper is economic and social issues. Here current affairs play a bigger role. 80 to 85% questions will be from current affairs, and current affairs related to government scheme, reports and indices, economic current affairs, social issues current affairs. So this kind of current affairs you have to go through, and you have to go through detailed current affairs. No stone should be left for this economic and social issues paper, because current affairs have very big horizon and you have to cover all. In finance and management, current affairs part will be only 20 to 25%, and static part will be 75 to 80 marks, and here score will be easy, because finance syllabus is little huge but management syllabus is very less, and you can easily cover the management syllabus within 1 month, and it will give you 40 marks, and you can easily score approx 30 to 35 marks in the finance, because it will have some current affairs portion also. That 20 to 25 marks you are seeing here, that is related to finance, not management. So this section can give you a very good score with very little preparation. In ESI you have to prepare a lot, because lots of static portion and current affairs you have to cover. For understanding the current affairs you need to study the static portion here. The static portion questions carry only 15 to 20 marks, but one should learn the static to understand the current affairs, because static and current linkage will be there. So that is the main challenge to cover ESI. So this is the overall analysis for RBI Grade B Phase 2 examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment, and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.